trying to do a voice over here, which I don't like doing. Yeah, sitting outside having dinner the other night, someone yells out, "Bones, your house is on fire." Didn't really hear him, and he yells out again, "Bones, your house is on fire." I run out, I have a look. Got to run home, make sure the kids are alright, get everyone out of the house. Yeah, and it was a Punjabi shop next door to where I live. I live, see where that sign is? I live on the white roof just above it. There's a veranda next to that smoke. I'm on the one above to the left. And I've told these Indians off 4 times for freaking having their cooking on the veranda, leaving their food there, doing welding with sparks falling down. Yeah. So yeah, they don't listen. Guess they learnt the hard way. So yeah, where they're standing now, veranda to the left, mine's above that. But anyway, shit happens. I do like the number of the fire trucks though, 666. There's my place up there on the left with the plants, top left. But anyway, 2 fire trucks there. The nozzle breaks off this fire hose. Then I went upstairs with a fireman. Yeah, their hose broke. So now no one's putting the fire out. Yeah, I'm up here with one of the firemen letting them in, but they can't get through. Street's nearly as busy as New Year's Eve. Here we are going through the neighbours joint. The fire's right to the left. I wanted the fire truck to throw me up a hose, but the hose broke and fire trucks are gone. Just down under where my logo is, there was a tuk-tuk with 2 wheelie bins, hoses, a motor, but the hoses weren't long enough and they'd run out of water. So now there's no fire trucks there at the moment. There's the hose and the fire truck's gone. I just wanted them to throw me up a hose. Our local bar. That was Oasis. Now we got the whole street full of fire trucks. About 13 fire trucks. Yeah, that bloke. No comment. I had to do a lot of editing on this video and cut out a lot of scenes because I was ropeable. Ropeable, considering I'd told these people, stop doing it. When you get that gut feeling, trust your gut, because I knew this was going to damn happen. Yep, our joint with the plants. Yeah. Never seen the street so busy. We're sitting at Oasis here. All those fire trucks are down the wrong end where the fire is. Yep, our local hangout. Here we are sitting down at Oasis. Sit there a lot, every day, every night. I'd like to say a big thanks to all my friends. There's too many to mention. You were all there for me that night, tried to keep me calm because I lost the plot. I went crazy. I had to edit a lot of what I said to these Indians and how other things went down. But anyway, a big thank you to all. Oh, yeah, there's me having a beer. I'm not sure who took that part of the video, but yeah, thanks to everybody. We're all safe. Kids are safe, family's safe, house is safe. That's the main thing. Now, yeah, what's number 3? What's going to happen? But anyway, we'll see when it comes. Cheers. Here's a bit of footage from the news.